For the sparkle stitch, I'm going to be using this diamond thread in the color D3852, and I'm going to be using a size 5 embroidery needle as well. Diamond thread is a non-divisible thread, so don't separate the strands, just use what comes off of your spool. To begin, I'm going to stitch the bottom layer of the cross by stitching a horizontal straight line. Now I'm going in with a vertical straight stitch, and this is the longest one. Now layer straight stitches along the edges of the stitches that we've already made, and you're going to make them just a little bit shorter each time. So as you can see, I'm just adding more straight stitches next to each other and making them a little bit shorter each time I make a new stitch. And once you're done, you can go ahead and knot the back of your fabric. And there you go. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great day.